Ellie's TV. Ellie, what are we opening today?
PJ Masks. McStuffins. Happy Meal. 1 yellow egg, 1 blue egg, and 1 blue egg.
Wow, those are a lot of surprises. Which one would you like to open first?
This one.
The yellow surprise egg? Okay, break it open. Okay, here, Mommy can help you. Okay, what do you have in there? Who is that? Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's a My Little Pony Mashem. Is that what it is? Okay, you want to open that up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it started. Oh, okay, you want to try? You got it, you got it. Tear it open. Wow, what's in there? Almost have it open. You're doing a very good job. I wonder which My Little Pony you have. Wow, okay, open it up. Hold it up. Look at that. That's really cool.
This one.
Okay, what's the next one? Let's go ahead and put that here. Okay. You want to open up, what color egg is this?
Pink.
You want to open up the pink egg?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to try? That looks so cool. Let's take a look at that. I wonder which one you have. Okay, I'll get my scissors. All right, let's go like this. And okay, hold it up. There you go. What did you get in there? Anything else in there?
I have Minnie. Minnie bacon.
Minnie. That's Chef Minnie. Wow, that one's really cool. I like that.
Blue egg.
Okay. Blue egg. All right. Another fun bag. Looks like you are gonna open up the Disney Tsum Tusm Mystery Pack. Okay, let me get my scissors. Okay, what's in there? What's in there? Wow! Look at that! Thank you. Who did you get? Oh, you're hiding her? Looks like you got the Queen of Hearts. Ooh, okay, so let's put her next to Minnie. Okay, which one's next? Okay, let's see. This one is the Shopkins Happy Places. Okay, let me open it. Let me get my scissors. Alright, hold on.
It's so squishy.
It's so squishy. That one's very cool. Okay, right here you just have to pull that up. Go ahead and pull it open. What did you get? What is inside? Oh, we have to open up the bag. Ooh, that's a big bag. Okay. Look. Look, Ellie, there's 3 of them.
No, then we repaid.
Okay, here's one. Do you want to see what's in there first? You can get it open. You've got it. You have a few more. Let's see what's in there. What's in that bag? That's very cool.
It's so squishy.
Okay, do you want to open this one? What did you get? Oh, wow. These are really cool. Okay, well, we have one more bag. We have one more bag. What's in that one? Is that a little bouncy ball? Boing. Okay, maybe we'll put these here on your stand. Look at that. Very cool. Okay, you want to open Doc McStuffins now?
Yes.
Okay, can I call you? Ring ring. Who is it? Okay, let's open up Doc McStuffins. Let's see who we have. All right. You want to give this one to Mama? Okay. So let's cut this one open.
How we open?
Go ahead and take the plastic off. Who did you get inside? Let's see. Opens like your doctor bag. That's so cool. Now you have a baby doctor bag. That's very nice. Oh, okay. You need a little bit of help? Let's see here. Okay. All you do is you pull right here. Go ahead and pull. Okay, what did you get inside? It opens up like your doctor bag. Who did you get? Wow! That's so fun! There you go, and it looks like you got Haley and Teddy. Is that right? Do you want to get Teddy out?
Yes.
Okay. All right, and who do we have next? PJ Masks? All right, look. We're now going to open up PJ Masks.
It's so squishy.
Okay, Ellie, If you pull right there, I think you can get it open. You've got it.
Look.
Yeah, you can do it.
Oh, look.
Almost. There you go. PJ Masks. Who did you get?
Done opening it.
You can't open it? Okay, let's try and open it. Oh, there you go. Go ahead. Who did you get? You got Luna Girl? Okay, do you want to open it up? Okay, here. Let's open it up. That seems like you really like that one. That's your favorite. Oops, you might rip it. Okay, there you go. Ooh, and this is a great cover for it, huh? Okay. All right, let's line everything up, and then you can see all the figures that you got. You have Luna Girl, Queen of Hearts, Chef Minnie, and then you got a couple of pieces from the Happy Places Shopkins. And then for Doc McStuffins, it looks like you got Haley. Does Haley stand up? Oops. Haley and Teddy. Oh, and we can't forget about Pinkie Pie. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Wow, that was so fun. Did you have fun? Yes? Did you have fun opening all of those? Yeah? All right. We'll say thank you for watching. Okay, say bye.